We're at SLE Equipment, located in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Jacobsen ZT1000 zero-turn mower with a 31 horsepower Kawasaki engine. You can find this mower, as well as others, on our website at sleequipment.com. As you guys can see here, we have the Jacobsen ZT1000 zero-turn mower with a 31 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This is a full commercial unit. And you see this unit comes with a suspension seat with armrest. This gives you a more comfortable ride. You adjust the seat here in the front. The knob turns to adjust the weight. These are very comfortable on this unit. This unit comes with a 60-inch cutting deck. The cutting deck is fabricated, welded, 7-gauge steel. Also, this unit has cast iron spindles as well. Also, to reach those spindles in case you need to clean any debris or grass or anything, or change your belt, lifts up like that. Also, your diagram is located there as well. Your cutting height is located here as well. This unit cuts from 1 inch to 5 inches. Also has foot assist. This unit has 2 gas tanks holding a total of 12 gallons. Your reservoir is located here. Also, on this left-hand side is your parking brake, as well as your 12-volt battery charger. The battery for this unit is located underneath the seat, as you can see here. The battery is located there, as well as the gas tank. Also, as I stated earlier, this unit has 2 gas tanks. Switch for that is located there. Your hydraulic reservoirs are one's located there, as well as the other on this side. And your air filter for the unit is here, and your oil filter is located on this side as well. Again, this is a 31 horsepower Kawasaki engine, FX model. The rear tires on this unit are 25 inches. So these are great for climbing hills as well. On your control panel on the right hand side, you have your keyless pad located here. The code when you buy the unit is 1234. So you just type in those numbers and hold the start button. Also, your PTO switch is here, as well as your throttle and your choke button. Also, your hour meter is implemented on the control panel as well. If you want to add a LED light bar as well, you have a switch for that, as well as a electronic grass chute as well. This unit comes with a rubber grass chute, and your front tires are air filled and are 15 inches. And again, this is a full commercial unit, great for your medium to large properties. Again, if you have any further questions, please give us a call. That number is 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.